building. Okay. Second is portfolio creation. Portfolio creation is also very important stuff. I will give you, or I want to, tell you one portfolio example. So let me copy and paste. This is one of my student. And as you can see, Arvind. Okay. Arvind is one of my student and you can see his portfolio. This is the portfolio of his. Can you imagine? Home, about, resume, certification, projects, and contact. He created a whole website. I am Arvind, project manager and senior, we can say computer programmer, a data analyst, Microsoft certified Power BI associate. This is the line which is important. Also, he talked about the skills. He gave himself a rating about me, profile, domain, education, language, BI tools, other skills, interest, 10 plus projects completed, his resume. We can download directly his resume from here, about his experience section, everything related to education, related to certification. As you can see, these are the certification and this is a certification completed by him. This is a PL 300 certificate. Okay, it literally boosts his, we can say, portfolio. This is an event certificate. He put the Forage internship. These are the projects he completed and so on. Okay, so can you see this portfolio? Quickly write amazing if you feel like, Aditi, this is amazing portfolio. Because as soon as I see this portfolio, I also feel very good that my student built something which is unique, which will make him unique from others, and he is doing a very good job currently, especially in the data industry itself. Okay, so that's why I want all of you to build this sort of resume. Okay, and this sort of portfolio. Most of the students are saying that, Aditi, now how we can create it? Okay, and for free, how we can create it? Okay, so let me give you a best example for the same. So here you go. Okay, I will guide you how to create your portfolio for free. Okay, and this is one of the suggestion to each and every one of you, that this is a data science portfolio.io. Okay, so you can build your data portfolio from there. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to subscribe to anything. Okay, you can create your portfolio from here for free. Okay, you can simply sign in and you can go to the portfolio builder. You can sign in using your Gmail ID. You don't need a work email ID as well, and then you can create your portfolio. Okay, this is important for each and every one of you. I'm sharing this website link here in the chat box. Create your personalized portfolio using the same. Let me write in here. Create your personalized portfolio. Okay, this website will definitely help you. Quickly write yes in a chat box that yes, Aditi, after this session itself, I'll create my personalized portfolio. Here you will create your portfolio. You will get a link. You can upload your projects as well. Okay. Now there is one more task for you all, which is you need to create your personalized. First of all, you need to also read about PL 300 and DP 600. And also you need to create your personalized portfolio. Are you guys ready for the same? It will give you a very good exposure. You need to, first of all, personally brand yourself, and you need to personally create your portfolio. And also, guys, spend equal time in market yourself. Okay, so you are spending a lot of time in learning. You are continuously learning and learning. But how I will get to know that you are learning something until and unless you are not marketed? And how you can market it? Whatever you are learning, upload it on your LinkedIn profiles. Come back to me in the chat section and let me know what you have learned. Create your portfolio, upload your work there, create your Novipro account. You can create portfolio using this website as well. Also, you can create portfolio using Novipro. You have two options now. Okay, and my recommended option is to use a Novipro. It is a very good option. Can I upload office projects? If you want, Naveen, you can upload the office project as well. So guys, whatever you have learned, whatever the certificate you got, Make sure that you market yourself. Upload each and everything in your portfolio, LinkedIn. And guys, you need to prepare in such a way that you just share your, we can say, you can share just one link of yours. Let's say if anyone come to me and say that, Aditi, I want to I want to speak with you regarding a guest lecture in any university, can I see your profile? So I share the LinkedIn profile link. Simple. For an example, I want to recruit you in Tech Tip 24 as a data analyst. So I the first thing that I will ask is share your portfolio, because I want to see the projects. If you have done a very good advanced level of projects, I will hire you. But if you don't have portfolio, if your LinkedIn profile is not optimized, then it will not work for me. Okay, so that's why you need to focus on market yourself. Spend equal time in the same. You are spending a good time in your learning, that's fine. But spend equal time in market yourself as well. I hope everything is clear, each and everything for all of you. These all are the topics, guys, that I want to clear, that I want to share, that everything is important. Okay, learning is important, but getting a proper certification from a big brand like Microsoft, it is important.